back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something pretty cool. We did some pink in my sister's hair because we're going to a Christmas party this weekend, so she wanted to look all fab. So I'm debating on doing lilac in my hair. I haven't quite decided yet, but I'm just so obsessed with this because it's such a beautiful, icy, curly pink tone, and it's just amazing. So if you guys want to see how I did this and also a little quick tutorial about the Dyson hairdryer, please stay tuned. And if you guys want to see this and maybe do it yourself or get your stylist to do it, excuse me. God, my phone's so annoying. Yeah, so feel free to keep watching if you guys are interested, and it turned out beautiful. I'm super happy with it. My sister absolutely loves it as she's flipping her hair back and forth in my face. So yeah, and I'm gonna do another huge tutorial video and review video of the Dyson hairdryer. I just wanted to do a little sneak peek in this video, as well as you guys will see in the background that I got my FabFitFun box. So stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna film that right now, and that should be up in a few days after I'm done this video. So don't forget to subscribe and like. Please give it a thumbs up as it really supports my channel. And if you guys want to see any cool hair tutorials like this again, let me know. Maybe I'll do my own little lilac hair color for you guys. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't mind the mess, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is my sister, and we had just done a little coloring at home. We used Pulpriot. We used the colors which blush, lilac, and clear. So we're just gonna dry it now with our Dyson hairdryer and see how that goes. So stay tuned for the video. heckin' bob. Let me just acknowledge how beautiful this color is. It's like icy pink. It's just stunning. And look at that shine. Dyson, Dyson. Oh my god, guys, I can't even deal. So we're just gonna curl it. And she hasn't seen it yet, but we're gonna show her right now and see what her reaction.
Oh my god! Oh, I love it.
Yeah. I almost love like how inconsistent it is. Like it's just such a nice pearly.
And there's like my
rose.
Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god.
So nice.
I love it.
So let's curl it and see the finished result. So we'll be right back in 1, 2, 3.